Hey folks, Isaac Fried here, talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck, in 10 Easy Steps by Swami Pranayomama. That's me, just a name I made up. I ain't no Swami, but I learned a couple things in the past 40 years. So let's talk about chapter 18, relationships. It says here you can skip this chapter because I am not a relationship expert. There's a few other things in here though, talking about single people. A lot of times being single, we want to be in relationships, but it can cause us to give way too many fucks. Dressing all fancy, spending money at the bars, going to dating websites. Sometimes these things work out. What I've discovered works out for me is to simply do what I do with my life. Do what I love to do the things that make me happy. And along the way, I'll meet other people who do the same things, have similar interests, they become friends, and that way I don't have to give a fuck about being single. When I'm in a relationship, there are ways that giving a fuck is important. Caring about my partner's health and happiness and well-being, listening. There are other ways that giving a fuck can ruin a relationship. For instance, if I want the other person to change, that is giving a fuck unwisely. People are who they are. You have to accept your partner. Also, when my partner is having a bad day, gives me a dirty look or says something hurtful, if I give a fuck, I get upset. Doesn't work. I shut down or I lash out, creating separation, contraction. So read the book, learn how to not give a fuck in relationships and in many other ways. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites, real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there. And hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day. Bye.